was a parrot in the forest. Its feathers were colorful. It never stopped talking morning and night. It would talk and talk, always with a smile. It would say good morning to start the day. It would send greetings to everyday one. It would hop from tree to tree, spreading joy and looking everywhere. It would learn new words and constantly say rhymes. Sometimes it would ask riddles, find answers and laugh it off. Parrot, parrot, chatterbox. Parrot, chatterbox. You never get tired of talking, do you? You make everyone laugh with joy. We all love you together. It loved fruits very much, especially bananas it would pick. Sometimes it would sing songs and dance with pleasure. Evening comes, the sun sets, the parrot lands in its nest. Tomorrow it will start talking again. The chatterbox parrot falls asleep.